The car features bespoke bodywork, a towering rear wing, and a bold diffuser. Polestar CEO Thomas Ingenlath describes the concept as turned up to 11. The standard Polestar 6 will have 872 horsepower, but there's no word on how much grunt this concept has. Polestar is bringing a slew of production and concept cars to this weekend's Goodwood Festival of Speed, and of them all, the all-new Polestar concept BST is the most radical. It's based on the upcoming Polestar 6, but has been adorned with a raft of bespoke parts to give it some motorsport-inspired flair, fitting for an event like Goodwood. It hints at a potential flagship version of the brand's first convertible. Immediately distinguishing the concept BST from the Polestar 6 that'll launch in 2026 are the aggressive new aerodynamic components. These start up front, where the Swedish EV maker has installed a slightly larger splitter and added more aggressive air curtains directly below the split headlights. Air extraction vents have also been fitted to the hood. Polestar has also gone to the trouble of designing more bulbous wheel arches for the car. And these aren't simply some add-on arches like those made famous by RWB. Instead, the front and rear quarter panels have been completely redesigned to sit much wider than those of the 6. The rear is perhaps the most radical. A dramatic rear wing has been fitted with uprights stretching out from behind the removable hard top. A bold new diffuser, 22-inch wheels, and unique silver paint with BST graphics round out the upgrades. While speaking at the unveiling of the model, Polestar Chief Executive Thomas Ingenlath said it is a model, turned up to 11, but didn't confirm if it will spawn a production version. This car is a demonstration of how far we can push our performance brand, Polestar turned up to 11 if you will, and a demonstration of how we could apply the BST formula to our lineup in the future, he said. Joining the concept BST at Goodwood will be the brand's current production models, the Polestar 2, 3, and 4. The Polestar 6 concept is also making its dynamic debut at the event, speeding up the famous hill climb.